Stop scrolling. Want to make $200 a day online with Kapampay starting today? Here are 3 proven ways Americans are doing it. Number 1. Remote customer support. Companies pay $18 to $25 per hour. Work from home answering messages. No degree required. 8 hours equals over $200 a day. Number 2. Delivery apps during peak hours. DoorDash, Uber Eats. Deliver only from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tips plus peak pay equals $200 or more per shift. Bike, car or scooter, all work. Number 3. AI freelancing. Sell AI-generated logos, scripts or videos online. No skill needed. AI does the work. 3 to 5 gigs equal $200 per day. You don't need money, degree or experience. Pick one method and start today. Comment part 2 for the full step-by-step guide.